Hey everybody. Well, as you can see, we're back out, but we're not out at the garage. It's a little more fun than just being in the garage, but we are out at the very first car show that we got to bring our truck to. So I'll get some footage of it here at the car show and hopefully walk you around and show you some other really cool cars and trucks here. I'm excited because this is one of the first shows that I've seen with a lot of trucks and I love trucks. So we'll see you guys here in just a minute. car show is in the books. That was a lot of fun. A lot of beautiful cars and trucks out there this year, man. This car show out here in West Point, Utah is getting bigger and bigger every year. We really enjoy it. So we're gonna let you guys see some of the nice drive home. Beautiful sunsets happening. And we'll bring you guys along for the next one. All right, everybody, we're home. What a wonderful day. That was nice to get the truck out. Kind of the maiden voyage, first time out at the show. It represented itself really well, I think. A lot of people liked it, and that's just really cool. It was a good show, though. There were some beautiful trucks and cars that showed up to that one. Hopefully you guys were able to see some of that in the footage that we shared. So we're wrapping it up. This is it for tonight. We're excited to continue doing stuff with it and get it out. So hopefully you guys are enjoying this little journey with us, and stay tuned. We'll bring you along for another one. Have a good night, guys. Take care. We'll see you on the next one.